Hello, Daz Studio patrons. I'm not from this world, and I want to welcome you back to my tutorial channel. Now, today I want to show you something really simple, but it is a problem that I've encountered from time to time, and I tend to forget to check this, and I actually don't know why it happens, but it's something that you need to make sure you're aware of. And so I've got Milica here, but we're not going to actually be dealing with Milica directly today. What I want to show you are your products. Now, if I click off of her and go to the content library, if I go under products, you know you have a big long list of all the products that you've purchased, and they're alphabetized. And if you choose one of these categories, so for example, I'm going to just choose the letter N. If I drop down the menu, it's going to give me a list of all the products that I've ever purchased from Daz Studio that starts with the letter N. But something that you need to be aware of is often you will have purchased something and it's not installed actually. All of the uninstalled content will be at the bottom of the list. So, for example, I have this Norseman outfit for Genesis 3 males that isn't even installed. So if I do a search or if I'm looking for this content, I'll never find it. So what we have to do is we have to right click and then just hit install, and that's going to help. And that's going to just install the product into your Daz Studio library. Now, I really don't know why a lot of products are not installed in my system, but as you can see, this is installing it. Quite the conundrum for me. I don't know if Daz forgets that you have things installed if you log in and out. If you know why some of these things are not being installed, I'd really like to know. But once I install it, then when I do searches and I look for products, I will find it. Now, once it's installed, it just moves up into alphabetical order. And so you can see it's right here now. And if I right click on it, I can move it into my Genesis 3 male folder and now put it under clothing. Now, when I search, I will have the option of finding that Norseman. This is a common occurrence on all of my products. So you need to be clicking through your categories and just making sure that everything is installed. The ones that aren't installed will always be at the bottom. So you can see for letter R, I've got them all installed. I've actually gone through and installed most of them, but look, you can see with my letter T, I have a whole bunch of uninstalled content. These are gonna all be grayed out. So if you see the color, that means that they have been installed, but if they are grayed out, we're gonna have to go in here like this tavern dining hall, and I'm gonna have to manually, I suppose, install it. I wish I knew why. Let me know if you understand why this is occurring. Tell me in the comments. I'd really like to know. One other thing to note is, unfortunately, if you install something manually, which I do a lot of, you're never going to find them in these product tab. So when we go to the smart content, you have the same problem. See, if I select Milica here, it's going to give me this smart content's pretty cool because it gives me a bunch of Genesis 8 stuff. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this, you will see uninstalled items as well. And you can right click and install from this tab as well. But the secondary installed items that you're not getting directly from Daz Studio, you won't see these. And so I find the smart content very limited because a lot of my content is third-party stuff that I'm uploading into Daz Studio that's not from Daz itself. So if you know a way to get that content into the smart content, that would make smart content a lot more useful for all of us. Okay, well, I'm gonna render up this nice picture of Milica. It looks like she's enjoying the backyard again, but you know, it is winter. It's been unseasonably warm where I am, but she's still kind of in her bikini, but you can tell it's a little bit cold out there. So let's render her up, and until next time, take care, stay warm, and happy rendering.